Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error if you try to purchase app from App Store or try to do any transaction. Then it's showing here to avoid interruption to your subscription and purchases, verify your payment information or add a new payment method. Okay guys, if you are facing this type of error, just simply you have to remove your payment method first. Okay guys, just simply tap on remove payment method, and after that your payment method will be removed, and then you have to add a new one. Then you have to tap on your Apple ID banner, and you have to tap on medium purchases. Now tap on view account. Now from here wait for a while guys, because it's loading from here, and just simply tap on country or region. Okay guys, again wait for a while because it's loading from here. So just simply tap on change country or region. So you have to select the different country. Okay guys, if you have given the country name in your previous payment method, just simply select the different one. So you have to select different one from here, and after that wait for a while again, and here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully. And if you are agree, just simply tap on agree. Again tap on agree guys, and wait for a while from here. And here are the payment methods: credit, debit card, PayPal, mobile phone, or none. So if you have any payment method, just simply select that one. So I'm selecting at none, and here you have to put your address. Okay guys, so you can put fake one as well, and you have to put correct postcode of your town. If you don't know about the postcode, just search on Safari browser, another browser, and put the right one. Okay guys, and here you have to put the phone number, so you can put the fake one as well. Just simply tap on next, and your payment method will be updated, and you can easily purchase something. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.